Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. Failure is not the end of life, it is a teacher of success. Failure shows our mistakes and gives us a chance to learn. Those who fear failure cannot move forward. Every failure opens the path for future improvement. Successful people have also failed many times. Failure builds patience and mental strength. Learning from mistakes is real growth. Without failure, experience is incomplete. Even if you fail today, you can succeed tomorrow. So accept failure because it is the step towards success. So that's all friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.